everyone, welcome back. Today I have Lisa with me, super good friend for years and years and years. I've been doing her hair for 27 years now, so that is super fun. Yeah, she has supported me through everything and watched my kids grow up and all the things. So she has a darling haircut. I've had a ton of people come get their haircut because of her and wanted their haircut like Lisa's. And we have changed it throughout, but we have realized she loves it short. It's way easy, right? She doesn't have to use, round brush, curling irons, anything like that. So she does like it easy. So first off, we are going to come along her hairline. We are just going to clean this up. We've done videos with her too, like when she's had more wispy or shaggy around this neckline, but we have liked it for quite a while now, just cleaned up nice and straight here in the back. And then we will take it tight around this back after a little bit. So I will show you that shortly. Okay, we are gonna come up, point cut into Lisa's hair. She has a lot of hair, so we do like to, point cut, because if I was to come and cut it straight, it just wouldn't have as much movement. This point cutting just really helps. So you can tell that that's a little tighter down there. I like to come back through with the clippers and my comb and do, cut that tight against her neckline. So Lisa does a lot for the community in our town of Nephi. She, gosh, she has been coaching dance for, oh my goodness, how many years, Lisa?
Since 89.
Since 89. So yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, everywhere she goes, it's Miss Lisa, Miss Lisa. Little kids running up to her, and not just the little kids because she's high school drill team, but yeah, the little kids just love her to pieces. She is great. So that's a little something about Lisa. Okay, so you can see I'm just following this guideline, coming in vertical sections down her head. Yeah, we do lots of texture on Lisa. She gets really heavy just because of the texture and how much hair she does have. So we definitely like a lot of texture. And she can tell when the texture's growing out, can't you, Lisa?
Mm-hmm. I know when it's time for a haircut.
Yes, she's definitely feeling that. When you have thick hair, and especially, so she has a lot of hair, but she has a lot of, like, it's thicker. It's not real fine. So she has both. So you definitely need a lot of texture if you have hair that way. Okay, so she is liking the length over your ears. You still are, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. I just had to double check. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna hold this out and I'm just gonna trim out the side, and then we're just gonna go around to the top to the length up here. That way we're not taking length, but we are just trimming. Then we'll come back through and make some different lengths through this area. Okay, so same thing here. We're gonna come through her side, trim this up. Hold this out and just trim that. Some people won't want their hair trimmed if they're growing it out or if they like it longer. Excuse me, I always like to recommend at least just trimming it, even a tiny, tiny bit. Okay, so we're gonna make sure both sides. Sometimes the sides, it hasn't happened for a little bit, but sometimes the sides will be off a little bit and we're like, what is going on? So we're just gonna trim this.
I think I sit crazy sometimes.
No, you're so sweet. Yeah, it's just funny that one side, but it hasn't happened for a little bit, knock on wood. Okay, so I'm gonna come in this side, go on an angle, and you can see that I come up in halfway to take some of those hairs out. That way there's different lengths up here, so it's not too heavy. All right, now we are going to texturize. We're gonna come through. This has many teeth. You can see the teeth here. So there's a lot of teeth there. So I'm gonna come through, texturize all of this. The other thing we're going to do is come back through the ends for Lisa, because I want to like chunk it out more, just because she does have so much hair. So this is kind of taking the bulk away. And I always like to do, she gets more bulky over here. So I like to do a little bit extra through that area. So just kind of know your client and what their hair needs and everything. And little things like that can help a lot, huh, Lisa? Because if we forget to texture a little bit more on that side, it just gets extra heavy. So you can see that this is just up. I'm just coming through this top area and just doing more texture with my chunky shears. So you can see it's gonna take out more hair because this is a thicker, chunkier texturizing shear. Okay, now what we'll do is come back through here with the clippers. Like I said, we're gonna just tighten this down here. Just so, she does have a lot of hair. Obviously, I've said that a few times. And so I like to keep this tight just so it doesn't get bulky, because it kind of seems to stick out sometimes as it's growing out. So if you just keep this tight, it will really help the growing out process. Now she comes once a month to come get her hair cut. So when we go tight like this, it helps her get to the next month. Okay, so I'm just making sure that that's a little tight there. Okay, perfect. All right, super fun. All right, now we are going to take the Kenra Mousse. I'll just hold this up so you guys can see it. This is a good mousse if you're needing a little bit of volume. The reason I like it for Lisa's hair is because it will help it stand, especially where she has so much hair. And it's not heavy for her hair. If you have thick hair, you're not gonna want something that's obviously heavy. So try to find a light product. It will help your hair stand up or just not be as heavy. Especially, I mean, you know, a ton of my clients like spiky, you know, they like fun, messy. So they like the volume. If you don't like volume, you don't have to use a volume mousse. You can use a leave-in spray. That can make your hair just soft, so it can, you know, just be more down and soft. So yeah, product does play a big key in how you style your hair or what you want the ending product of your hair to look like. Okay, so we're gonna go back and forth. Yeah, see, that's good. A little massage, right, Lisa?
Now, say you have curly hair, you know, you're obviously going to maybe dry this a little bit different. You're not going to go back and forth with the comb. It will make it too poofy and unruly. But I do love the Epic comb. It gives it, you know, movement and body. So if you're wanting movement and body, the Epic brush is amazing. The Epic brush is really good for, you know, people that don't want volume either. It's very good for long, thick hair. It takes out the tangles really well. All right, so I'm just making sure that this is all dry. So you can obviously see the texture in Lisa's hair. Plus the way Lisa's hair is, it's just phenomenal. Some people that want Lisa's haircut, I'm like, I know, but you just don't have quite as much. But okay, I'm just gonna take this. This is the styling clay. You can see I've just kind of went like this. I usually have to use more for Lisa's. So I just start out with this. I rub it in my hands and then I come through. We really want to piece this haircut out. So yeah, I usually come and put it throughout her hair and then, which usually one fingertip is good, you know, to piece out somebody's hair. But Lisa has so much that we get to do it twice. Okay, so another one. Then I'm just gonna rub this in good in my fingers here. My hands. Okay, I'm actually going to turn her to the mirror so I can see how I'm piecing this out. Feel better, Lisa? Mm-hmm. Going to take a little nap maybe. That's always nice.
This is the best part. When you somebody playing with your hair.
Yeah, so true. True. Okay, get this back pieced out. Okay. All right, now I'm going to come back through. Take the hairspray. This is Masterpiece from Bed Head. I love Masterpiece. It holds the hair really nice. It's not too sticky, but yet it holds it all day. I really enjoy this hairspray. Okay, so fun. All right, Lisa, I'm gonna just turn you around so they can see how this is fun. It's full, piecey, and then it's tight around the bottom. Okay, sweet. Thank you, Lisa, so much for letting us show off your pixie cut. You guys, thank you so much for your support. You're awesome. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps. Have a fantastic day. See you next time.